Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a brand new episode of Shosha. And yes, ऐसा आप सबको पता है कि हमेशा की तरह हमारी कोशिश होती है कि भाई हम टैलेंट से टैलेंट इंट्रोड्यूस करके लाएं, बल्कि आज के इंसान जो हमारे साथ है, इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड, एन अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट, अमेजिंग सोल, एंड लकीली ही इज हियर ऑल द वे फ्रॉम यूके, एंड लकीली ही गॉट इन टच विद मी. और मैंने कहा भाई आओ फॉरन, इससे पहले कि तुम वापस चले जाओ, बिकॉज तुम 7-8 साल बाद पाकिस्तान आ रहे हो, तो मिस ना कर दूं मैं तुम्हें. तो ही वाज इन इस्लामाबाद. He's a brilliant artist. I think back in the times of the growth of the music industry, he's been a legend. He still is a legend, and he's doing so much. Not only music, I think a lot of other things. But वो खुद बताएंगे. So I'd welcome my dear brother Akash.
My brother Alamda, thank you very much for having me on your show.
Absolutely, brother. How are you yourself?
Blessed. That's the only thing I can say.
Yes, I can see the हीरा part on you.
हीरा actually ये एथलीट हैं. तो लोग समझते हैं मैंने लिखा हुआ मैं हीरो हूँ, लेकिन ये एथलीट हैं. But it's so good to see you. I mean, sometimes it's, you know, I always love your soul and what's inside.
Absolutely.
आर्टिस्ट तो आपको पता है बहुत सारे बनते हैं लोग, लेकिन अंदर जो होता है ना,
कलाकार जो है वो आपके अंदर ही होता है.
बस आप कलाकार हैं. हमारी नजर
सर कदर करो हमारी कला की.
मैं तो आपकी करता हूँ, इसलिए हम आ गए फौरन.
Anyways, Akash, first things first, I would want you to define to the public who is Akash. Akash कौन है?
Akash is a person constantly evolving. I think, of course, music was and is my first love.
Right.
And जो बहुत सारी Gen Z audience है नहीं जानती होगी, और छोटे होंगे जो देख रहे होंगे ये.
बिल्कुल.
So I had a band called Akash the Band in Pakistan, and I think we fairly achieved and did a Jeelia Peelia Zahar
Zindagi ka.
Nearly 18-19 years ago, I went to UK basically, and my family migrated there.
Right.
So I had to take that bitter pill. I had to swallow that. और अभी मैं 8 सालों के बाद आया हूँ in my country.
Very nice.
And now my company Amplified Media in the UK is one of the leading media companies in the UK.
Awesome.
We deal with a lot of media stuff like movies, fashion, artists, and releasing a lot of artists.
Yes,
working with the names like Bohemia, Roach Killer, Age Dami, all the leading names from the Western world. Desi music जो कर रहे हैं.
Awesome.
We work with all of them.
Right. So because I've been following you and the step, क्योंकि आकाश सबसे पहले ये बताओगे कि जिस टाइम पर आकाश द बैंड, क्योंकि उस टाइम पर फ्रेश जल द बैंड चल रहा था.
बहुत कंपटीशन.
आतिफ भाई थे. He was also evolving. EP was one of the fine. Noori itself was a big brand. Call, Rosen,
Akash.
They were सारे amazing. तो मैं सिर्फ ये कहता हूँ, और उस टाइम पे हमारे पास चैनल्स होते थे. Like we had the music, we had AG, we had Channel G, Indus Music, and MTV, Channel G, Play TV, yes. So ये Ashley Clements भी याद आ गया. तो I mean like lot of people जो के थे, और तुम जिस टाइम पर गए, I think you were at the peak. And it's not just you, बल्कि मैं तो Aro is like one of those. फारूक भाई gone, but गायब हो गए सारे. तो आप मुझे बताओ कि leaving the peak and you guys being at the peak, do you have any regret or remorse about it, or do you think कि वो शायद तुम्हारे लिए डिवाइन ने बेहतर किया था?
Well, if I be very honest, at that time it was very hard. I struggled a lot when I moved to UK. 2 years literally I was not in the best place. You know, I have to be honest.
मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ ही था उस टाइम. याद आ गया मुझे. हाँ,
I have to be very honest.
बिल्कुल सही.
But if long story short, if I look back now, I think that was the best decision for me and my family. And wherever I am in my life right now, I'm very at peace. I'm very happy, and I think people can see through my personality.
Absolutely.
You know that I'm blessed, and everything is good. I've got great friends like you.
Thank you.
Even अगर हम किसी को 10 साल बाद मिले तो जब मारे तो
पता चले ना, the originality, the genuine होना चाहिए.
So I think personally that it was the right decision.
It was the right decision. चले, for हम सारे fans जो थे, हमारे लिए अच्छा decision नहीं था, but anyway.
But comeback is on the
comeback is on the now.
Akash,
मुझे सिर्फ ये बताइएगा, क्योंकि now that you've mentioned that you're here in Pakistan after 8 years and Amplified, you and the whole entire team, not only music production, पहले तो तुम music videos करते, अब तुम लोग movies की तरफ आ गए हो, and you're here for this indie project, which luckily you had the chance and I had the chance कि आप भी मेरे साथ बैठे और मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, तो after 8 years that you're here, you have a lot of further vision in terms of movies production. You mentioned yourself you have a few scripts that you're looking into in English, and so थोड़ा सा audience को ये clarity मिलनी चाहिए कि what is the amplified vision that you guys are carrying.
So basically the reason I'm here is the movie called Unshadowed.
Okay.
So it's some British Asian movie, bilingual.
Right.
And my friend Zara Dean has produced it.
Okay.
She's producing it.
Awesome.
Because it's still under production.
Right.
And the story is about woman empowerment, woman abuse, and empowering women. It's a very arty subject.
Right.
And mostly 85% we filmed in the UK.
Okay.
This slightly part where we showed where the girl was born and everything. वो पाकिस्तान में शूट हो रहा है, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकता.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
लेकिन we are definitely not like other media houses from the West. We are not showing Pakistani in any negative way, any bad light.
Right.
We are trying our best to show Pakistan in like the positive light.
The image building, जो बात है,
और पाकिस्तान मेरा मुल्क है, आपका मुल्क है, हमें मोहब्बत है, चाहे 10 साल बाद आए, 20 साल बाद आए, 100 साल के बाद तो फराउन नहीं आएगा. तो लेकिन I mean I'm very excited for this movie.
Awesome.
And literally I wanted you to be part of it. But next I'm calling you UK now for the movie.
Absolutely. I'll definitely be there. Anyways, so in terms of the future projects that you're looking at, though you also mentioned कि कुछ और projects भी कर रहे हैं. हमारे साथ राहिम भी बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. वो इंटरव्यू देना नहीं चाह रहे, वो शर्मा रहे थे. But nonetheless, आगे कितने projects को लेकर चलने का अभी current है plan?
So basically, I just want to focus I just want to focus on movies and my own music as a comeback.
Okay, great.
And because अभी इतनी हमने achieve कर लिया कि we can, I have a big team.
Right.
So they can look into like music videos, fashion and other stuff.
Right.
And personally me, I just want to focus towards movies because like Pakistan, जैसे पाकिस्तान के ड्रामे बहुत अच्छे हैं, they're the best, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody knows that. Pakistan का cinema now here and then you get a really great movie like Maula Jat and all that.
Absolutely.
And then there's a big gap, right? Same thing is happening in the UK because we don't have many people representing British Asian, especially Pakistani British.
Right.
Cinema or anything.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
And I feel like God has placed me in a way that where if God willingly everything works in our favor, I can be one of the pioneers doing that there.
Let's hope for
so and we can just cross collaborate with a lot of talent in Pakistan because I like yourself and so many great artists. Literally we have so much talent here.
So यहाँ पे मैं एक सवाल करूँगा. So a lot of upcoming artists, kids out there with a vision of being an actor, being a singer, being playback singer, etc. If somebody wants to reach out to Amplified Studios या आप लोगों को reach out करना हो in terms of auditioning, because पाकिस्तान में अभी तक auditioning का element नहीं है. And that's like one of the things. वरना आप दिखते ना, हम लोग दिखते हैं जी casting by Hollywood films में तो casting by की पूरी एक होती है ना.
बिल्कुल हमने सही कहा क्योंकि हर बंदा जो हमारी UK कास्ट है, जो मेन कास्ट है, everybody came through a casting.
Yes.
And जो यहाँ की है,
यहाँ पे तो रिश्तेदारी भी हो जाती है ना. हेलो आ जाओ बेटा कर लो.
मैं किसी के ड्रामे के क्लिप्स देख रहा हूँ, किसी के कुछ आ रहे हैं, ये फलां बंदा ये करता है, and then you're just guessing कि okay this person can do the job.
Right.
But they can reach out to my Instagram, filmed by Akash.
Right.
FILMEDBYAKASH or Amplified Media.
We'll definitely
UK.
हम tag बिल्कुल करेंगे, and we'd love to do that.
And my team can reach out, or if I'm available,
Absolutely. Akash, any final words to all the viewers out there who love Akash music, Akash band, and everything in between? So बिल्कुल बताएं ताकि उनको पता भी हो ना कि आप आए हैं, भाई आए हैं तो कुछ बताएंगे.
सर फाइनल वर्ड्स ये हैं कि जो भी करें अपनी जिंदगी में कोशिश करें कि आप खुश हों.
Regret no.
Like I have no regrets.
Be sure about that, bro.
100%.
ये भाई मैं भी सेम है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, क्योंकि कभी जुल्म ज्यादती नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी
नो अले ना हम अपने साथ जाती होने देंगे और ना करते हैं.
बिल्कुल।
until unless दूसरा चाह रहा हो
हाँ वो फिर
कि मेरे इतने करीब मत आओ, मैं तुम्हें तबाह कर दूं, मैं तबाह होना चाहता हूँ, ये वाला सीन है। तो बस हम किसी को तबाह करने के मूड में ही नहीं
नहीं, नहीं।
है। बट या म्यूजिक कम बैक इज यू नो ऑन द वे। आई एम वर्किंग ऑन सम स्टफ, इट वोंट बी रॉक म्यूजिक,
Okay.
इट वोंट बी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, बट इट्स मोर लाइक, जैसे देख रहे हैं मेरी हालत थोड़ी सी हिप हॉप हो गई है। हिप हॉप म्यूजिक एलिमेंट, हिप हॉप वाला कंपोजिशन, लिरिक्स रिमेंस द सेम,
Absolutely.
एंड मूवीज, एंड दैट्स आई थिंक
That's about it.
बाकी रब की जात है हाथ हमारे साथ, यहाँ तक आगे भी चले जाएंगे।
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Akash,
Brother,
for coming
pleasure.
in, and
Thank
I
you.
wish you and the team the very best, inshallah. And would love to see you guys grow, and you know.
You have to
inshallah.
be on the premiere.
I will, inshallah.
Yes,
Inshallah.
thank you.
Well, thank you. Well, guys, this is Akash. If you guys want or want to leave any comments, you sure can. I will definitely tag Akash and his team with the Instagram perspective and collaboration में भी आप लोग होंगे ताकि लोगों तक पहुंच सके हमारी सारी आवाज और आपकी खास तौर पे आवाज।
Thank
Once
you.
again, brother, thank you.
Pleasure.
Cheers.
Pleasure.
All the
Cheers.
best.
Cheers.
Okay, guys, take good care of yourselves. All the best. Allah Hafiz.